Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make jelly slime without any fake snow, and I'm super excited to show you guys this method. So the first thing you'll need is some clear slime, and I just used the clear slime basic recipe, which is just clear glue plus a bit of borax activator. And to make this slime look even more jelly-like, you want to make it purposely cloudy, meaning that you don't want to wait the full 4 or 5 days for it to clear up, which is actually a really good thing if you're impatient like me. And for the secret ingredient, you're going to want to use cotton, and I'm just using the cotton that you would find on Christmas trees, but you can also use cotton balls. And the point of this is just to kind of imitate the really thick texture of the jelly slime and not make it as thwacky as regular clear slime. And what I'm doing is I'm just cutting up small pieces of it, and you want to be careful with this, and please get your adult supervision if you are underage. Then after you cut them all up into small pieces, all you want to do is just pull them out and just make it less stuck together. Finally, just add it into your slime, and at first when you put it into your slime, it's going to be super hard to mix. Your slime will break easily, and don't worry about this. This is actually really normal, and what you have to do is just keep playing with the slime, pulling away the cotton pieces from the slime and just kind of like stretching it and stretching it. If you want, you can also just tear off the cotton pieces with your hands, but beware because the pieces will be a lot longer and just going to be harder to mix into your slime. And finally, for the last step, what you want to do is just cut up your slime. Yes, I know it sounds really weird, but this helps a lot because it just ensures that everything is mixed thoroughly and any lingering long pieces of cotton that are in your slime are cut up nicely. And if you want, you can also divide your slime into 2 pieces to make it easier to cut. And that is basically it. As you can tell, this slime is super stretchy and it feels exactly like jelly slime. And you also add as much or as little cotton as you like, depending on how thick you want the slime to be. And overall, I am so excited with this result. I added more cotton because I wanted to be even more jelly-like. And honestly, it is amazing. I'm so happy it came up with this method. And you guys should definitely try it out because it's super simple and super cheap. And I decided to add in some blue coloring to match Peachy Babies' jelly slime, and I thought it looked really cool. And if you don't have food coloring on you, then you should definitely try using markers or highlighters. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up and also comment down below any other slime video ideas you have for me. I would love to try them out. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more slime videos like this, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video.